Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download Google Play Store on Windows 11. Let's get started. The Google Play Store is not officially available on Windows 11 by default. You need to enable the Windows subsystem for Android. First, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Then, open Control Panel, then go to Programs, then turn Windows features on or off and enable Virtual Machine Platform. Now, open the Microsoft Store, then search for Amazon App Store and install it. This will automatically install the Windows subsystem for Android. To install the Google Play Store, you'll need to manually install a modified version of Windows subsystem for Android using tools like GitHub packages. This process is more advanced and requires developer mode. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.